Hey everybody, this week Universal Studios opened another value resort on their property, somewhat off of their property, but in the general vicinity of their property, adjacent to Endless Summer Surfside. We now have Endless Summer Dockside. We plan on hitting the parks tonight and maybe having a couple of beverages, so what better way to enjoy ourselves than by staying overnight? So while we're here, figured we'd give you a tour. Transportation to the parks is waiting outside. And we're gonna take our steps in. Temperature screening right at the gate. And immediately after our temperature screening, you can see what it looks like in the lobby area. We've got a short wait to check in. They've got it all decorated in here for Christmas. Nice decorations, Starbucks. So right off the bat, we checked in, and I can tell you the service here was awesome because I, by accident, made my reservation for last night. I'm not quite sure how that happened, other than the website is not the most user-friendly when you're trying to enter your annual pass holder or looking for annual pass holder rates versus Florida rates. But in any event, my reservation was from yesterday, but they were able to easily switch it, and in addition, gave us an upgrade. Yeah! So there is plenty of covered parking if you bring your own car or rent a car to come here. And also a lot of street level parking as well. This place looks pretty big. Landscaping has that Cabana Bay vibe. It can be a little bit of a wait for an elevator. This is one party per elevator. And here's our reveal. Nice. Oh wow, this is pretty. They upgraded us to a 1-bedroom suite. So we have 2 queen size beds. We'll take a look around here and investigate. A little trunk here. Oh, I like the little bottle of hand sanitizer. TV. Our view is of the parking lot. You can get upgraded like pool views if you want. Thermostat. Light fixtures. Drawers here for your clothes. And then over this way, you got a little kitchen table. Fridge, microwave. Check out this sink. It's kind of like an RV sink. That's cool. 1-cup coffee maker. Oh, it's a 2-bedroom suite. So we have an extra bed here. In case we pick up any strangers or in case we have a fight. We have 3 beds now to argue off of. And here is dual sink vanity.
I love the fact that they have the sink outside.
And I don't know how we turn the lights. I don't know. If it's funny to be able to use any power, you need to put your key in this lock here.
That's amazing.
To make sure you're not leaving the lights on when you leave. Energy efficiency.
So cool.
So the lights are on and you're not home. Here's the bathroom. Pretty basic, but super clean because it's super new. Look at these. Conditioner, soap, no VO5 here. Shower head is pretty decent. Towels, amenities.
This comes with us?
But this is super cool. And I'll tell you, the prices are really reasonable. So the annual pass holder price for the basic room today, you got a little closet here. The annual pass holder price was like $90 for today. Although they start at $74 for different dates. And then these rooms, they go up like by $20 if you want one of these rooms with the suite. And I think it goes up to like $40 plus the base rate if you want one of these types of rooms with a pool view. This more than meets the needs. This is, I think, even better than the Cabana Bay rooms. It doesn't have the, aesthetic of the 50s, but it's kind of like a hybrid, kind of like Aventura meets Cabana Bay, and somehow it's cheaper. The hotel is a little bit further away than the other on-property places, meaning that you probably wouldn't want to walk here. But it also is closer to like the iDrive type places too, so you could probably Uber or so forth to get to like a Chewy's or steakhouses and things like that. So by the way, electrical outlets are always big for me because we have cameras and things like that that we need to plug in, plus our phones. And this has 2 outlets, plus a standard USB and faster USB ports right in the wall. And there's plenty of outlets here. In the elevator bank, there's hand sanitizer stations. Each floor. We're gonna head down and check out drinks and food. I like the look on the way to the lobby. The sun is starting to go down. We've made our way to Pier 8 Market. This is their dining and grab and go. We've got sandwiches, desserts. Oh, that looks like a Kyle picture from New Smyrna Beach. I can't confirm or deny if my photography was used here. We've got a salad station here. All of the salad's already pre-wrapped.
Oh, wow.
So easy to get and go. It actually looks really good. Ice cream station. More sandwiches and smoothies. Wraps. We've got a hamburger station here as well. You have a pizza station. And then their signature item that you could either get as a 2-piece meal or an 8-piece meal is chicken and waffles. Look at that. Chicken and waffles. And there's also a little shake station here, cold drinks. Lattes, frappes, shakes, lemonades, smoothies. So I did end up with the chicken and waffles. And this is mashed potatoes. It's gigantic. I mean, this is enough for food for the day for me. Mary got a chicken salad sandwich with like a whole bag of chips.
Yeah, so cool.
The one thing that's a little crazy, I do like the presentation, but there's no plate. I thought the food was good. Better than cafeteria style. Maybe not as quite as good as City Walk style, but good. The chicken was really well seasoned, a lot of salt, which played off really well to the sweetness for the waffles.
Chicken
And your
salad.
sandwich?
My sandwich is really good.
And now onward towards the lobby. Bathrooms, ATMs, station to print out your boarding passes, and Starbucks. So there is a Universal store on site at the hotel. You get your hotel things, get your park things, endless summer shirt, cups, headbands, coasters, frames, pool stuff. So we got tons of like beach related things, flippity floppities, bathing suits. Oh, coasters, jewelry. And then literally the same items that you can get at Cabana Bay. I have this towel with Cabana Bay's logo on it, but it's endless summer here.
That's cool.
And then Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter. And right outside the lobby, they've got the Sunset Lounge. All of your alcoholic beverages. So we got a lot of cocktails here. A lot of craft beers. Here, which is made in Miami, Vesa Sur. This is said beer. And the bar actually backs up right into where the restaurant was. Mary's gonna try to walk the plank, which is Rum Haven Coconut. Rum, watermelon, lime, and coconut. So the house beer is actually really good. It's mixed with mango, I think. So you can actually taste the fruit. Mango Blonde Ale. Really refreshing. Check out this table, super cool. Upcycled tree trunk. So we left the restaurant area, came out, and here we are at the pool. So I do have to tell you, it's like 60 degrees out right now, so Florida-wise, probably not a lot of people in the pool, but if you're traveling down from colder climates, this might be great. It's a little sandy area, a little splash pad, and then we have the pool. This gives you an idea how many rooms there are here. And pretty big pool. No like slides or lazy rivers here, but large pool to enjoy yourself. And over here, it's the Oasis Outdoor Bar. And they also have a pretty good selection of beers here as well. They have a fairly large cocktail menu here as well, specialty drinks, including one with Skittles. And this is our cocktail, complete with Skittles. Bite-sized candies.
That is sweet.
Really sweet. So the pool looks great. The drinks were great. They have towels here in case you want to go in the pool. Helicopters overhead. All right, well, hopefully we'll get on this bus and head over to the parks. We'll carry over to that video separately and put a link to it up here when it's available. It is morning time. Good morning from Dockside. This is our view, by the way, so you get the Orlando Eye over this way and a swing thing over there, so all of, like, I don't want to say downtown, but like the iDrive attractions all over this way. We got sunrise happening over this way also. Really good night's sleep here. The beds were super comfortable. The shower, awesome. Didn't want to get out of the shower at all. Hot water, awesome pressure. So I know this place is brand new and it doesn't have any wear and tear yet, but as far as hotels go for theme parks, this place really coming up aces. So we're back in for breakfast. We've got oatmeal, grits, bagels, cinnamon rolls, croissants, danishes, muffins, fruit cups, parfaits, grapefruits, smoothies or juice, pressed sandwiches, salmon, baja burritos, avocado toast, Belgian waffles and chicken and waffles, and breakfast pizzas and regular breakfast combos. Those are breakfast pizzas. So I got my breakfast platter. It's very similar to the other Universal on-site hotels like Cabana Bay or Aventura. All have the same type of stuff. Mary got this. Is their avocado toast. This is kind of one of their signature items here. All right, we're gonna wrap up our stay at Dockside. I was really impressed with this hotel.
Yep.
So while they did upgrade us, the total charge of what we would have spent if we were in our regular room last night, including resort fees, etc., would have been $105 after taxes and everything, which is considerably better than even a lot of the Holiday Inn Expresses and things like that that we've stayed at recently. I think the hotel has a lot going for it as far as capacity goes. The commute to be able to get to the parks, the pool looks awesome, the food options were good, drink options were great.
Oh, drink options were really good.
Just a couple of the negative things. The elevator situation right now because of COVID is just a nightmare. There is signage up that says 1 party per elevator, but that doesn't seem to resonate with any of the guests as everybody wants to pack into the elevator with you.
Yep.
When we came back from the parks last night, at least there was a team member that was there ensuring that only 1 party got into each elevator so that you weren't jammed in there. However, coming back down for many of the floors, you either have a ton of people on your floor waiting for the elevator at the same time that try to come in with you, or the elevators are full with people, or when you're on it and you stop, other people want to get on as well.
And you're like,
We did find a staircase though, so we just walked down the stairs when we needed to come downstairs.
We were only on the 4th floor, so it wasn't bad.
And there are 14 floors here to keep in mind, so if you want to hike up and down.
No.
The other big negative was leaving the park. There are so many people staying at these resorts that when you want to take the bus back, you could be in queue for a bus for a long time. We waited for about 8 or 9 buses prior to be able to get on one to come back to the hotel. So you could either cab it back, which is an extra charge to you, or Uber, etc., or you can stand and wait. So there was a point where there were no buses coming, and then there was a point of rapid fire buses just showing up, and it's kind of like hit or miss. I'm hoping that they work out the kinks, but the bus coming back stops at both Dockside and Surfside. But that about does it for us at Dockside. I think this will be the hotel for us for HHN this year, or next year, 2021, if it actually happens. So thanks a lot for coming along. Thank you very much for all of your likes, comments, and subscriptions. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Don't be like Mary and look at where the camera is and not where the button is.
I don't know where to look.